Hi submarine friends. Making this nozzle turned out to be a piece of cake. That press is unbelievable. I wished I'd built one 20 years ago. That thing is fantastic. Anyways, it's very, very round, but not perfect. But this ring that I salvaged from another submarine I built years ago is perfectly round. So all I'm going to do is weld the 2 points that are flush, put a jack inside, and give it a little push out, and it'll be perfect. What happened is, when I welded the two halves together, it moved a bit. Not uncommon. So that's a super easy thing to fix. So what I have to do now, I have to prep this better for a weld, and then I'll weld it on. Now, my big dilemma right now is, well, I guess it's not a dilemma. I've got my fingers crossed. When I weld these two together, there is a potential for this surface to warp a little bit. If that happens, it sucks, but I can fix it. I have two choices. I can shorten this so that it fits into my lathe. So this piece is 26 inches in diameter, and this is what the acrylic cylinder sits on. There's a notch and everything. But my lathe will accept 26 and 1/8 inches. That's why everything I build is 26 inches. It has to be machined like this. So the problem is my lathe has a gap in the bed that is only 12 inches long. So I can put this back in the lathe, but I have to shorten it to 12 inches. I hate to do that because then I have to weld this piece back on. I really hate that idea. So fingers crossed that this does not twist when I weld it down here. There's a chance it will be just fine. So that's what I'm working on today with my fingers crossed. I'll even cross my toes on this one. But it's not the end of the world either. It's just, I don't like having an extra seam here. That'll suck. But whatever. So that's it. Ciao.